From the simplest calculator to the most complex spacecraft, machines operate on a language we understand: programming. This language, a set of instructions given to a machine, has dictated the rhythm of our technological evolution for centuries. Charles Babbage, with his vision of the analytical engine, and Ada Lovelace, the Countess of Lovelace, who wrote the first algorithm intended to be processed by a machine, stand as pioneers in this realm. Programming, in essence, is about control. Every line of code, every instruction is a testament to human foresight. We anticipate every scenario, every possible input, and dictate the machine's response. A program in its purest form will never deviate from its instructions. It will execute its tasks with predictable precision, time after time. This predictability is the cornerstone of our trust in machines. We rely on their unwavering obedience to our commands, whether it's a traffic light managing the flow of vehicles or a robotic arm assembling intricate components in a factory. The beauty of programming lies in its transparency. We know the rules, we understand the language, and we can trace every action back to its origin. Yet, as we ventured further into the digital frontier, a new paradigm emerged. Artificial intelligence. Unlike its more predictable counterpart, AI operates on a fundamentally different principle: learning. Instead of being explicitly programmed for every eventuality, AI systems are trained. They are exposed to vast amounts of data, learning to identify patterns, make connections, and arrive at conclusions, often in ways that elude even their creators. This departure from traditional programming marks a significant shift in our relationship with machines. We are no longer the sole architects of their capabilities. We are now facilitators, providing the raw materials, data, and the learning environment for these digital entities to evolve. The rise of AI is deeply intertwined with the exponential growth of data in the digital age. The more data we generate, the more these AI systems have to learn from. This data-driven approach has led to astonishing breakthroughs in fields ranging from image recognition to natural language processing. AI systems are now capable of feats unimaginable just a few decades ago, from diagnosing diseases with superhuman accuracy to composing music that stirs the soul. The fundamental difference between programming and AI boils down to a simple yet profound concept: predictability versus emergence. While a programmed system operates within the confines of its instructions, an AI system can exhibit emergent behavior. It can, through its analysis of data and identification of patterns, arrive at conclusions and take actions that were not explicitly programmed. This emergent behavior is both the allure and the concern surrounding AI. On the one hand, it allows AI systems to adapt to new situations, learn from their mistakes, and even surpass human capabilities in specific domains. On the other hand, this unpredictability introduces a level of uncertainty. We can no longer predict with absolute certainty how an AI system will respond in every situation, as its decision-making process is no longer solely determined by lines of code written by human hands. This uncertainty is further amplified by the black box nature of many AI systems. While we can understand the inputs and outputs, the internal workings, the intricate web of connections and decision-making processes often remain opaque, even to the very engineers who created them. The emergence of AI presents us with a unique challenge. We're on the cusp of a new era, where machines are no longer simply tools that execute our instructions, but entities capable of independent thought and action. This transition requires a fundamental shift in our perspective. We must move from a paradigm of control to one of collaboration, recognizing both the immense potential and the inherent risks that AI brings. This new era demands a cautious approach, one guided by ethical considerations and a deep understanding of AI's limitations. We must establish clear guidelines for the development and deployment of AI systems, ensuring transparency, accountability, and a focus on human well-being. The future of our coexistence with AI hinges on our ability to harness its power responsibly, to navigate the uncharted waters of this new technological frontier with wisdom and foresight.